So let's talk a little bit about testing. As I mentioned at the beginning, our experience is really related around software entropy sources. So it's kind of where I have the most ammunition to come from. In our 2024 submission, this is a diagram right out of the 90B document. This is what we experienced. We had to get a million samples of raw data, and then outside of the conditioning component, and then of course our restart tests. Then came along a new heuristic assessment procedure, and in the latest management manual, it's confirmed, and also the CMVP has confirmed for us, because we've asked several times, can you use the older heuristic assessment process for ESV updates or OE updates to your submission that came in 2024? And the answer is no, you need to use the current process. So we've recently gone through a couple of these. The one that stands out for me, we had 2 OEs to update. It was a couple of embedded devices, so not a lot of resource on board. So again, older analysis, 1 million samples with 1,000 by 1,000 restarts. The new analysis, we had to collect about 250 million raw data samples. So that was quite a change for us. Whoops. And then, we followed up with the lab side, and they were able to kind of help us understand the differences on their side. So processing that data took them about 20 to 30 minutes before the change. Now it's taking about 1.5 to 2 hours per operating environment in the lab. And then of course, both the lab and the vendors, a little more detailed reporting in the documentation. So overall, we had to take about 5.5 gigs of data off of these 2 embedded devices. It took us about 60 to 80 minutes per device to collect 10 million of those samples. So you can imagine 20 times that per device. We had to collect the 10 million samples, offload them from the device, put them, store them locally, and then go do it again 20 times. So in summary, the end-to-end analysis for JENT is now a noticeable increase in effort, time, data collection, testing, and documentation.